Hi, in our previous video, we added basic branding to our store. We added a store logo, we added a favicon, and we added the top banner right here. We also customized things a little bit, adding social media links in the footer and also adding the copyright notice. And we also changed the color a little bit. Um, Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to build our first product. I'd like to show you what our store is going to look like once we're done with all our tutorials. We're actually recreating this store. It has a bunch of different products. So I think what we'll do next is we'll create a t-shirt really quick. And to do that, before we were in the design section, now we're switching over to the products area. So you click the products tab here and you click add a product. And our menu selection here, these are just popular categories of different types of products. We're going to change this eventually, but for right now, this is our system. But what we mainly use is this search product here, and I know what I'm interested in. I'm interested in a Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt. So I type in 3001 here, and I'm going to go with this one. If you see two of the items that look the same, go with the ID that's the newer ID, okay? So I'm going to go with this one, the Bella Canvas short sleeve tee. Select. And I'm just going to call this, you have to enter a product name, so I'm just going to call this ACC logo T. And I'm going to select the category for t-shirts. If you have another category you want to create, you can just click add a category. It's very easy. The next thing you need to do is add product colors. For this one, I'm just going to choose pink and hit save. It automatically selects all sizes. So if you don't want all sizes, you would just click the button here to deselect it. But since it's print on demand, you might as well keep all sizes unless in case somebody orders one of those sizes. And you can select multiple colors if you want, but for right now I'm just going to choose pink. All right, and the next thing you do is you select the method of decoration. So currently we have DTG and we have embroidery, but right now we're just going to do DTG. So you click here to add your production file, and again, your production file, you want it to be 300 dpi, and we recommend a transparent PNG file. Okay. So on my desktop, I had a few different folders, and I put the design files in a separate folder. And for right now, I'm going to choose logo medium. And now it brings you to our mockup generator. And I'm going to slightly resize this. So the designs that you bring in should be sized with the exact dimensions you want them printed. So if I wanted this one printed to be 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, then this file would be 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches at 300 dpi. Okay, so I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to click Save Mockup. And I'm going to hit Save. And then you have to fill out a little bit more information. Comes with some additional information that comes from the manufacturer. You can leave it or you can edit it however you want. You're not going to see custom fee. This is just for me. Total product price. Let's say I want it to be $32. You might see some of this information or you might not, depending on which version of the platform you have. Okay, then hit save. Okay, so we have our first product here. Now what you want to do is you can hit View Store, but I also want to show you, you can also edit the product here. So say you want to change the price, or you want to, I don't know, choose another color to have. You could always click here to edit the product, okay? And then you can get back into here and you can change things up. Maybe even change the name. So maybe we'll just change it. Okay, we'll change the name. And this is your margin. Hit save. Okay, now let's do View Store. And there we go. We have our first product. We have a t-shirt. And if you click on it, brings you to this page. And you can choose a size and hit Add to Cart. And that additional information is in here. And you can actually have multiple swatches and multiple colors. I'll show you that in the next video. Okay, thank you.